Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is CJ. It's an early morning here. We're heading up to West Palm Beach to Cars and Coffee, the first one of 2020. Should be pretty epic. It's going to be a busy one, that's for sure. Vanilla Ice is unveiling the Fox Body Mustang 5.0 that he made famous in his Ice video back way back in the day. So he's found it, he purchased it back, and he's totally redone the entire thing. So today's going to be the unveiling around 10 a.m. So we're going to try to make it up for that, and hopefully see what other kind of cars are out there today. Normally West Palm Beach brings out a pretty good you know, variety of cars. They've got everything, man. I mean, you got the old antiques to the crazy 4x4s, to Jeeps, to the Ferraris, the Lambos, Challengers. I mean, you name it, it's out there. Mercedes. It's a pretty good group of cars. So I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button down below and help me grow this channel. I'm going to be bringing you guys more videos as they come, and hopefully this afternoon when we get back, we're going to be working on that review video for the M550. I know everyone's been waiting to see that, so we'll take you for a look around the car and hop in it, give you a little first-hand feeling of riding the car. So hope you guys are enjoying everything. Have a great day, and once we hit the outlet malls to hit Cars and Coffee, we'll see what we can bring you guys today. All right, hope you like what we're going to see. See ya. Ain't even saw Vanilla Ice.
What was your favorite car?
Lamborghini SVJ. It was sweet.
What do you think about all this traffic?
Traffic blows. You got a bunch of airheads running around thinking that they're Indianapolis 500 race car drivers and their GT 500s and their little Miatas. Look at this little Miata. I'm gonna run them over. Hey guys, well, hope you enjoyed the video this morning. It was an early morning. Tons of awesome cars out there. Vanilla Ice had a pretty bad to the bone Fox body that he redid that hope you guys enjoyed seeing from the drone. Anyway, stay tuned for more coming up. I'm going to get you out that review here of the M550. And like I always say, help me grow this channel by subscribing. Hit that link down below. And leave me a comment if you are interested in seeing something. All right, guys, have a good day, and catch you on the next video.